welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today I've got a new way of making cabbage. I'm not sure if you saw the other episode when I made some steamed cabbage. It was episode 45. I only steamed it then. I had two versions. I steamed it and I also fried it with some carrots. So today I decided to mix it up some more and spice it up some more. So I added more vegetables to it and more seasoning to it, and it tastes so good. It is so delicious. I mean, and cabbage is like, it is so inexpensive. It's a cheap dish and it's really good. I mean, you can have a whole plate just from one head of cabbage instead of buying this as a side dish and not having enough to make it a meal. It's usually a side dish when you're eating, if you're non-vegan, when you go to restaurants and they want to serve a side dish. But as a vegan, it could be, even as a meat eater, it can be a whole meal. Just you have to add more things to it, or just eat more of it. All right, and it's easy to make. Better turn my light on. Okay, it's easy to make. You get yourself a head of cabbage. You steam it. Not too much water, because you don't want to boil it. You want to steam it. So you get a little bit of water, add a little bit of oil in there. Let it cook down. And then I did it separate. I did everything separate. So you don't have to do it separate. But here it is. I cooked the my green beans. Boiled that separate. I cooked my carrots. I had a whole carrots, of course, and I chopped it up, fresh carrots, not frozen ones or the baby carrots ones. I cooked some celery. Oh, by the way, I recycle plastics, as you can see. But yeah, these are vegan, by the way, snacks. I don't even eat that often. Okay, here's some corn and the seasonings. I have black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, forgot the adobo, the oregano, and turmeric. And here is the delicious, wonderful cabbage. So now after you steam the cabbage, after you cook the cabbage separate, you get a different pot and you put some oil in that pot or a pan, and you add all these ingredients and stir fry it, and you get this. It's real simple. And here's the rest of the cabbage, of course. You can do it one big pot. I don't know how it's going to turn out, so I did a little bit as usual. But I'm going to make the rest of these with the rest of this. And that's how that's going to be. Alright, stay tuned for more delicious recipes with Plush2x. And have a good day. Alright.